This is question number 13. We're told A is the point -1, 2, B is the point 7, 5. In part A for 2 marks, we're asked to find the coordinates of the midpoint of AB. All we need to do is add the x coordinates together and divide by 2, and add the y coordinates together and divide by 2. So we'll have -1 plus 7 and divide by 2. So I've just added now the x coordinates and divided by 2. Then for the y coordinates, we're going to have 2 plus 5 divided by 2. So we have now on here 6 over 2, and then we're going to have 7 over 2. So that's going to give me 3, and then 3.5. You can leave it now as 7 over 2. I'm just going to write 3.5. So that's one way of doing it. In now the next part, it says P is the point -4, 4. Q is the point 1, -5. For 2 marks in part B, we need to find the gradient of PQ. The gradient is the change in y over the change in x. So I'm going to write m, which is the gradient, and it's entirely up to us. I could do 4 minus -5, or I could do -5 minus 4. I'm going to do now the change in y is going to be 4 minus -5 over the change in x, and that's going to be -4 minus 1. So we can say now in the numerator that is going to be 9, and then we're going to have -4 minus 1, and that's going to give me -5. So we can say that this is -9 over 5, and that now is the gradient for 2 marks. It's the change in y over the change in x. You could have gone the other way and just shown that. We could have said on here -5 minus 4 over now 1 minus -4. So that would have given us now in the numerator -9 and in the denominator 5. So either way round, as long as you're consistent, you'll get the correct gradient and 2 marks.